Imagine a world where machines could learn from their mistakes and get better with every interaction. That is the vision of AI. And in this video, I will be showing you how we can explore that and how it's becoming a reality. This AI can help you edit your video for social media, YouTube, and any other platform, long form content, short form content. This AI is going to help you do that absolutely for free. Let's go. So first you need to do, you need to log on to video.ai. Here it is, video.ai. After that, you go to upload. Now, one thing you need to know is that you can actually choose from any video you shot, or you can also copy a YouTube link and give it to this AI to help you edit it into short form content. All right. So here we are going to go to YouTube and we are going to use this video from Think Media that talks about how AI helps you make your sound professional. So we're going to copy this and go to our website and paste and start import. So we will click portrait because that's what we want for social media. As you can see, this has TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Yes, that's what we want. We're going to, okay, I've already selected these three templates. So we are just going to click and you can add your YouTube handle here or your IG handle. Just add for now. Or let me use this and this. Okay, so that's perfect. Let's go. So go to dashboard. Okay, I think this is pretty fast. It's done. So open in editor and let's watch our video. Let's see this one. Let's see the template. Let's see, you have different templates. You have different templates. You have these templates, and you have this. I think I like this. I think I like this. I think I like this. This is fine. It's fine. Let me see. This is a one template, and you have so many templates to choose from. Increase how you want your video to look like. Change the aspects. Centralize. You can cut out some aspects of it. When you're done, you can click download and you do 720, which is okay for social media content. Or if you want to go pro, you go 1080. For me, I'm using the free version, so I'll do 1080 and I'll click confirm, and it will take some time. Yep, and our video is done exporting and our video is downloading direct to the system. As you can see, this will make any video sound pro. All right, so when it's done, you click and let's open in folder. Open. Now let's see how it looks. It's going to open with my VLC player. So let's just see how it looks. I just hope you learned something new from this. And our video is up. As you can see, it's shrink the video to the portrait size, which can be used for your social media platform, your YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. I just hope you learned something new. Don't forget, go to this website, video.ai. Go there, explore the so many features it has, play around it, and you will be amazed what AI has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Ovayap Isaac. See you in the next video.